Hey everyone, today I'm going to be looking at the Toury moped style electric bike from HJM Bike. Let's unbox it, put it together, and see what we've got. Okay, it's big. The Toury has a 48-volt, 40 amp-hour removable battery, driving a powerful 48-volt, 750-watt motor, which is more than sufficient for any reasonable use. Okay, let's go! It's just a little too big for me. If you're a bigger person, it will be less of an issue. Next thing, the battery is removable, which is good because unless you're the hawk, you don't want to carry this up any stairs. The display is fantastic, best I've seen so far, large and easy to read. The gear shifter and the rest are standard and easy to use. The build quality is excellent. That's it for today. Until next time, remember, if I can do it, anyone can do it.